How can someone standing before Chief Justice Wagner think they're going to get a fair hearing? The Chief Justice, Justice Wagner in Canada, Chief Justice of the Supreme Court of Canada, came out and declared, without hearing a court case, that the truckers, it was an illegal protest. And he made that declaration, even though no court in the land at the time had said that. As a matter of fact, the Ontario court, who was hearing some things at the time, said you can continue to protest, just stop honking the horns. So when you have the Chief Justice coming out and making those kinds of statements on something that I don't know how he couldn't have expected it was going to end up at the Supreme Court. How can someone standing before Chief Justice Wagner think they're going to get a fair hearing? How can people expect to get a fair hearing when the courts have adopted judicial notice on things that shouldn't have? And for your listeners, judicial notice is a principle where if some fact is not in dispute between the two parties standing before a court, then they can take what's called judicial notice. Well, we don't have to argue that fact because both parties are in agreement. But what the courts in Canada were doing is they're saying, nope, we're taking judicial notice that the vaccines are safe and effective or that the mandates were required. But that's the fundamental reason we're here. No, it's judicial notice. You can't argue that.
Right. So they changed it from when two parties agree to when one party, our government, agrees. And it doesn't matter if you disagree. We're taking it on judicial notice. It's not open for discussion.